Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this absolute beauty. This is a 2022 on a 72 plate Ford Fiesta ST2. Finished in magnetic grey metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. We've got fantastic specification on this vehicle. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owner. It's in lovely order throughout, mega low mileage. You can tell it's been very frugally used. Front bumper, wheel arches, alloys, tyres, all in superb order. It's not been raced and rallied. It was owned by a lovely lady. So, looking around the bodywork, you'll not find any dents or dings. Bodywork's in very nice order throughout. We're riding on these 17-inch 5 twin spoke sort of matte mountain metallic alloy wheels. Those are in fantastic order. Obviously riding on matching Michelin Pilot Sports all round. Inside, on these facelift cars, you get the lovely sporty bucket seats, half leather on the bolsters. Very lovely and supportive. The AGR certified, so fantastic on your back for those longer journeys. You've got the Ford Performance stitching on the headrest there, all the contrasting red stitch, and then when you look through to the rear, I don't think those seats have ever been sat in. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. We've got the original tailored floor mats. We've got aluminium kick plates. Jumping inside then, steering wheel is in fantastic order, part perforated, flat bottom with the matching red stitching. You've got your Sport S modes. Car kicks in straight away, so flicking through, you've got launch control on this car, you've got the sport mode, you've got track mode as well, full performance, voice command, cruise control, speed limiter, lane departure warning, lots of safety features on these cars. Coming through to the center display, we've got satellite navigation. Audio is a full DAB, so you get all the extended channels. Click through to apps, you can add your apps onto there once your phone's on there. You've got your sound where you can adjust the bass, the treble. You've got Bluetooth, radio, vehicle. Clicking through to driver assistance. On there you've got speed limiter, lane keeping system, traffic sign recognition, park pilot, drive alert, hill start, obviously reversing camera, so when you flick it into reverse, guidance lines pop up like so. Ford Pass Connect, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, downloads, valet mode, and much more. This vehicle has the must-have winter package. So you've got heated seats for driver and passenger, you've got the heated steering wheel as well, fantastic for those colder mornings, heated front screen, you've got your traction control, automatic stop start, central armrest, which again makes longer journeys nice and comfy. But inside it's not been smoked in. You can tell whoever's owned it has looked after this car very well. I've had the chance to drive this one myself, drives superb, and as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 3,535 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. So when you're looking at PCPs, if you're on finance, you'll have some fantastic residual values on this car. But if you'd like anything further, we've got some fantastic finance packages. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry.